1, 2, 3. Look.
It's adorable!
The paper begins to burn into the shape that you're thinking of. Draw a line on your arm. It's gone.
How did you do that?
Get the paper hot and the ink will completely disappear. Pen trick?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Am I doing that? It's moving!
Watch, heat it up.
No!
Keep going. That's 50 cents. I rub it enough, the ink actually turns real. Look. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. I am your host, EvanEra, and today I am showing you 7 magic ink and toner tricks. Now, it looks like our printer is running low on ink, but no problem. Check this out. A new ink cartridge right here. That's how convenient Brother's new Refresh Easy Print subscription service is. This episode of How to Magic is brought to you by Brother Printers. Brother International Corporation has earned its reputation as a premier provider of home office and business products. Brother's reliable printers are high quality all-in-ones that deliver fast, professional results to meet your home or small office needs. Just set it and forget it. The Brother Refresh Easy Print subscription service is a flexible monthly printing plan that eliminates the need for you to buy ink or toner cartridges thanks to Brother's exclusive smart ordering printer technology. Brother genuine ink or toner is delivered to your door before you need it, so you never run out. Based on the plan option you choose, for one low monthly cost, you can print a set number of pages each month. There are several flexible coverage options to choose from if you print more pages than your monthly allotment. If you print fewer pages than your monthly plan allows, unused pages are automatically rolled over to use later and they never expire. New users can enjoy a risk-free trial. Never worry about running out of ink or toner again. It's simple and convenient, it's an outstanding value, there's flexible options, and it is completely commitment-free. There's no long-term contract, no obligation, and you can change or cancel your plan at any time. It is one easy, low monthly fee versus paying per cartridge, which actually allows for cost savings. All plans are flexible and easy to change based on your printing needs. You can do it yourself through the dashboard. There's no large outlay or shipping costs, and it doesn't matter how much toner or ink you use because the plans allow you to pay per page. The thing I love most about this is the time-saving aspect. It frees up time by eliminating a task from my never-ending to-do list. As a business owner, I have so many things to do, and Brother's Easy Print subscription service takes the hassle out. Signing up is super easy. Just plug in and start up your new Brother printer, head over to Brother's Easy Refresh Print subscription service on your phone or PC, and create your account to sign up for a subscription. Select your preferred plan and enjoy a risk-free trial. The algorithm will learn your printing habits and send you the ink and toner before you actually need it, so you never run out. That's magic. I use Brother printers every day in our business to print marketing materials, to print order invoices, and shipping labels for our shop. This service helps us optimize for success and make our business way more manageable. I'm thankful for it because it's one less thing I have to worry about, running out of ink. If you choose the occasional plan, you can print 100 pages per month for only $3.49. So much cheaper than buying ink cartridges. There is a list of eligible printers for the subscription service in the description of this video. Once again, a huge thanks to Brother Printers for sponsoring this video. Be sure to sign up for the new Brother Refresh Easy Print subscription service today. The link for that is in the description of this video. Sign up now. Here is the secret to how I made it look like a printer cartridge just magically popped out of the piece of paper. This was a simple bit of movie magic and editing. So I started out by printing the image of an ink cartridge on a piece of paper just like this. You're going to take your genuine ink cartridge and you're going to position it on a duplicate piece of paper that looks exactly like this one but blank, so that when the cartridge pops out it is blank behind it. We take a little piece of double-sided tape, this is a magician's best friend right here, and stick that on the back of the box, and then stick that in the middle of the paper in the exact same spot that we have this one printed. So now all we're going to do is hold this piece of paper and we're going to pop it out like this. Then we had an assistant come in and switch it out for the real one. Position it in the exact same spot and then splice the two clips together and you get this amazing effect of the ink cartridge just coming to life from a piece of paper. Okay, Sasha, I have a cool pen trick to show you. So hold the cap of the pen if you will, and also stick your arm out, just like this.
Either arm?
Either one, it doesn't matter. So check this out, I'm gonna take the pen and I just draw a line on your arm. Oh.
How did you do that?
Where'd it go?
I saw it. That's amazing.
Here is the secret to the magic vanishing pen mark prank. So this is not a normal pen, this is actually a retractable cloth line that goes right back into the pen's body. You can see the tip of the pen actually comes out like this, and it looks like a line being drawn on the table or on someone's skin, and then to make it disappear, all you have to do is let go, and it pops right back into the pen. So it looks like a real ink pen, and it looks like it's really drawing a line on the table, but then you can make it vanish just as easily by bringing it back, and the line completely disappears.
Hey, that's pretty cool. I remember that.
Yeah?
Hey, I got a really cool trick for you.
All right.
Grab the cap of the pen here.
Pen trick? Huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's really cool.
Oh! Dude, it's a brand new shirt!
Sorry.
Oh my gosh!
I'm out.
So we are going to answer the question, how does disappearing ink work? It's a classic magic trick. You take some ink and squirt it on someone's shirt. At first, it looks like a genuine ink stain on their shirt, but then it slowly fades away. The question is, how does this work? How does this liquid turn from a dark black to completely clear? Well, the answer is very scientific. It is actually an indicator solution. This liquid indicates the presence of oxygen. So when it's exposed to oxygen, it actually turns from this really, really dark blue color, almost like a dark purple, it's so dark that it looks black, into a completely clear, invisible liquid, and that is how you know that oxygen is present. So this would be used in an experiment. It would be put inside a zero oxygen environment, and if it turned clear, we would know that there's oxygen present that is compromising the experiment. Check this out. I have a little piece of paper sitting here on the ground. I want you to think of any simple geometric shape. Just think of any shape and keep it in your mind. Got it locked in your mind? Watch. I take this little piece of incense and I touch it to the paper. Watch what happens. Think about the shape. And look, the paper begins to burn into the shape that you're thinking of. Watch. Boom. Was it a triangle? Let me know in the comment section if it was a triangle. Was that the shape you were thinking of? If you want to learn the secret to this amazing trick, stay tuned. I'm going to reveal it coming up next. The secret to this is some special solution, a very secret chemical compound. We're gonna take our paintbrush and just paint a little bit on this paper, piece of tissue paper right here in the shape of the card that we're going to have them select. You can use this to reveal anything. Use it to reveal the image of a selected playing card. Looks so amazing. This makes for such an absolutely astonishing card reveal. And you can also use it to reveal a person's name or a thought of word or phrase. The possibilities are really endless. For this one, I'm going to read your mind through the screen. So I have a blank piece of paper here. I want you to just think of any number between 1 and 20 and lock that number in your mind. This is your starting number. I want you to take that number and multiply it by 2. This gives you a new number. Now add 10 to your new number, and that gives you, yet again, another new number. Now divide that number by 2, and then take that number and subtract your first number from it. That should give you a brand new number. This is your number. Keep that number locked in your mind and watch what happens to my piece of paper. It appears as though your number slowly fades into view on the piece of paper. Is this the number that you were thinking of? Was your number 5? All you need for this trick is a piece of paper, just like this, and one of these pens. right here. This is a special heat reactive pen and the ink disappears when it gets hot. So we've got a heat gun here, and as you can see, when we apply the heat from the heat gun to this thermosensitive ink, it just turns completely invisible. Anytime that the ink is exposed to a temperature above 60 degrees Celsius, it completely disappears. Okay, Sasha, check this out. I've got a really cool trick to show you with this permanent marker. Okay, watch the marker. 1, 2, 3, and look.
It's adorable!
It turns into a little dog.
That is amazing, I love it.
All you need for this trick is a marker, some stretchy elastic cord, and a safety pin. This is how you're gonna make the marker seemingly vanish in an instant. So we're gonna create this setup right here. We've got a safety pin with a little piece of elastic cord tied to it, and we're gonna take the other end and attach it to our marker. I'm going to use the clip of the cap and tie it on just like this. So now we're going to attach this safety pin up our sleeve or behind our back. Once you have the elastic band mounted up your sleeve with the safety pin, you're just going to conceal the elastic band with your hand and present the marker like this. Now, whenever you let it go, it will retract up your sleeve just like that. The vanish of the marker up your sleeve will then allow you to reveal your little marker dog just like this. Looks like a balloon animal made from a marker. Super cool. Eva, I need some money. Thankfully, I have my magic marker right here. So check this out. I take the marker, I can actually write on the palm of my hand just like this. It says 50 cents. You can see right there?
Yes.
So watch, I actually take the writing on my palm. It's permanent marker, but if we just rub the ink like this, look, and I just squeeze it, look, if I rub it enough, the ink actually turns real. Look.
It came alive.
It's real money.
Can I have it?
You can. The setup for this one is super easy. Here's the prep that you do before the trick starts. You're going to need 2 coins. The second part is you're going to take a dry erase marker. You're simply going to write 50 cents on the palm of your hand in dry erase. The 2 coins are going to be held in this grip right here in your pinky and your ring finger on your other hand. So you want to keep what's written on your hand hidden until you write it with what they believe is a permanent marker. So you're going to kind of hide your hand like this as you write on your palm. So in the performance of the trick, when you saw me write on my hand, I'm not actually writing on it. It's already written. So I'm just pretending to write on my hand right here. You've still got the 2 coins finger palmed like this. The last part of the setup before you perform the trick is to lick this part of your hand right here. That is going to help us rub the dry erase marker off of our palm. So we've got a little bit of moisture right here on our hand, and we're just going to rub just like this. And as you can see, that dry erase instantly starts to come off just like that. With just a little bit of rubbing, that marker has fully come off the hand, and then all we have to do is kind of shake these coins back and forth and say, look, the ink has somehow come to life and has turned into real money. Okay, check this out. I have a really cool card trick. So I have a deck of cards here, and I'm going to put them on the table like this. You can cut them wherever you want. Go ahead and cut to any card you want.
Anywhere I want.
Yep, anywhere you want to cut it.
Okay.
Perfect.
That
okay,
feels
cut
right.
it right there. So we're gonna put the rest of the cards right here on top of the card that you cut to. Now, do you know how many cards are in the deck?
52?
It is 52, but you only cut to 1 single card. So go ahead and take a look at the card you cut to right there and show it to the camera. I'll look away so I don't see. Okay, perfect. All right, show it to the camera, make sure they see it. Now I've got a card from a different deck here in my hand, and I'm gonna make a little prediction of what card I think you chose, okay?
Okay.
Hey, don't look.
Okay. Well, you don't look at my card.
Okay, I think I got it. All right, so you have your card?
I have my card.
You got it locked in your mind, right?
I got it
All right,
locked.
so check this out. I think I've got your card right here. Is that it?
No!
No, it really actually is your card. You just have to heat up the ink. So if you just blow on the card, like blow on the ink right there.
I blow on this.
Yeah, just right there. Just blow on the ink. Watch.
Okay.
Watch what happens. Watch, it heats up and it starts to move.
Whoa.
Look, try it again.
Am I doing that? It's moving!
Watch, heat it up.
No!
Keep going, keep going.
Look at it!
Forms into the image of your card.
That's my card! That is amazing! All right, my mind is blown. How did you do that?
Magic. That is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and be sure to share it with a friend who you think might like it too. A big shout out once again to Brother Printers and their new Easy Print subscription service. Be sure to sign up for that at the link in the description and show them some love for supporting How To Magic. Be sure to let me know in the comment section which magic ink trick was your favorite. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can learn new magic every week. Until next time, I am EvanEra. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.